everyone, Anke here with a new layout and process video for Hip Kit Club featuring the May 2024 Hip Kits. Today I'll create a layout using some of our exclusive stamps and metal dies. And I'll also use the shimmer, spray and paints which are included in the May color kit. I cut out flowers and leaves from white cardstock using the May 2024 Pretty Florals and Leaves metal die set. Then I color the die cuts starting with the leaves, therefore I use the Jilted Jade Shimmers watercolor. For the large flowers, I use the Shimmers Pink Stilettos Coloring Mist. Then I color some smaller flowers using the Shimmers Sunny watercolor. And a purple Shimmers paint from a previous color kit. For the inner pieces of the blossoms, I use the yellow Shimmer Sunny watercolor, a black brush pen, and an orange Shimmers paint from a previous color kit. Finally, I add a second layer of color to the large blossoms. Therefore, I apply the pink stilettos mist with the paintbrush. Now I can use all these pieces and build my flowers. My flowers are finished and I can start with my layout. I cut strips from the Hello Weekend Memories captured paper and roll them. Then I arrange the rolls on a piece of cardstock and adhere them. It's much easier to work with this one piece than with all the rolls. Now I add some stamping to my background. I choose one of the pattern texture stamps which are included in the May color kit and stamp on both sides of the paper with the rolls in a green that matches the color of the paper. Then I use the May 2024 brick texture die and cut it from white cardstock and add 2 pieces to my layout. Now I add the large flowers and arrange them, combined with some leaves. I layer my photos with 2 pieces of a brick texture die cut and a piece of the Essential Solids Laughter cardstock, which is included in the May cardstock kit. add more die-cut leaves. Some die cuts from the Hello Weekend ephemera pack, which is included in the May main kit. Some of the cardstock foam stickers, which you can find in the May embellishment kit. And a puffy sticker, also from the May embellishment kit. I add more die-cut flowers, and the title, for which I use the glitter cardstock layered foam alphabet thick stickers, which are included in the May main kit. I add the rest of my die-cut flowers and leaves. A pink heart from the cardstock and foam stickers pack, and a butterfly from the washi tape stickers pack, which is included in the May embellishment kit. I glue the butterfly sticker on white cardstock and cut it out. I finished with some of the glitter epoxy stickers, which you can find in the May embellishment kit. Here you can see the finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.